सीफेरर्स सेलाचे थोडे वांगडी चीफ मिनिस्टराक मेळपा आयिल्ले. वी नो ही इज टेस्टेड पॉझिटिव्ह एंड इज केप्ट अंडर आयसोलेशन. सो मेळपाक वी वॉन्टेड टू हँड ओवर दी ऑक्सीमीटर to him since we have launched all India Oxymitra campaign from the Aam Aadmi Party, and based on this campaign we have now taken the initiative. Aap Seafarers Cell Goa has taken the initiative to give one oximeter each to positive tested patients in Goa, आणि हे इनिशिएटीव आज चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडल्यान आमी चालू करचे म्हूण चिंतले आनी आज आमी हांगा हँड ओवर करपाक म्हूण आयिल्ले. सिन्स the entire premises is locked down, basically it is kept under lockdown because the CM was tested positive. Amka भितर वचपाक मेळना आणि we have requested if we can hand over this to the any of the personals, but the police says that there is nobody here officially to take this oximeter to check the chief minister's health and to give it to him. So हिंग कोण ना आता आमी हिंगा रावले. So it is very clear that the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to help and save the lives of all Goans by doing this act all over Goa. We took an initiative to come here and to hand over this. I have demonstrated how to use this oximeter by opening it up and showing it to everyone. And since now we are not allowed to give it over here, so then I think we have to take this back with us. But we, the Aap Seafarers Cell, would always want the CM to be healthy and back again in action. If he can take this through someone, it's well and good, we will try again. Otherwise we have to take this back with us, and we will further, next step is we are going to give around 350 plus oximeters to the health minister in order to distribute it to positive tested patients. So this will be our next step from the Aap Seafarers Cell.
This is creating an awareness on oximeters which is launched by Aap.
Oximeter checking is one of the indications, one of the critical indications to give you an alert, an early alert to when you need to go for a medical help. A 99% oxygen level indication is the best. If it starts dropping below 90, which means you need to be there. So if you can see that your oxygen level is 95, 94, 93, you're still on a very safer side to immediately go and consult a doctor, get your COVID test checked it, whether you are a carrier. There might be no other symptoms. Once the oxygen level drops below 90, there could be a probability of other symptoms coming up. Dusri symptoms, thondi, zor, te yopa magi shakta. So oxygen level is one of the very critical, because oxygen देवता असो कोण ना झुप झुप कोण. जेन्ना तू चोक जावपा feeling जाता तुका, you cannot breathe, तेन्ना कोटा, and that is already you are below 90. So जेन्ना 93, 94 आहा तेन्ना तुका एक doubt लागपा जाओ that it is time that I go and better check, and you are in the safer hands. So this is an indication, and we request everyone to come and check their oxygen. We are ready. The Aap Seafarers Cell has taken this initiative. The Aap Goa volunteers have taken this Oxymitra initiative. So today we had come here to give one to the Chief Minister. However, because the premises has been locked down and sealed, we are unable to deliver this. So we will go back with this.